Human rights activist and head of Talakawa's parliament, Kola Edokpayi has accused the Lagos State Commissioner of Police, Hakeem Odumosu, of exhibiting a character likened to arrogance and unprofessional display of power following the mass arrest of private security guards and a widow with her children when the convoy of the police commissioner was subjected to residential procedural routine inspection before issued a pass into the Mabra estate in Lagos State. The commissioner visited to attend an event organized by an undisclosed resident of the estate on New Year Day. Kola Edokpayi said CP Hakeem Odumosu didn't spend up to 1 month in Edo State before he was transferred out due to his alleged arrogance of power and unprofessional conduct. The Lagos State Commissioner of Police, Odumosu, is very unprofessional and arrogant in his action. He didn't spend up to 1 month in Edo State when he was deployed to the state because of arrogance of power. He has no respect for the rule of law and the right of man, Kola Edokpayi said. The Lagos State Command of the Nigeria Police Force, in a press statement signed and released yesterday by the police public relations officer, Adekunle Ajibutu, stated that the CP, who was recently promoted as Assistant Inspector General of Police, visited the public estate yesterday and took a surveillance tour around the premises in order to ensure its safety, after which he saw a partner at a party. The Commissioner of Police was accompanied by his armed security details and was driven in his official car bearing an official number plate and a pennant, including all the paraphernalia of office. On reaching the estate gate, he was properly introduced notwithstanding the visible security details in uniform, including a dispatch rider in his convoy, yet he was prevented from entering the estate by some overzealous private security guards. A statement from Office of the Publicity Secretary of Mabra State Security Committee indicated that the private security guards at the gate were only trying to ascertain the direction of the resident whose party the CP came to attend when they were arrested and detained. The Mabra State Security Committee statement reads: "The executives of Mabra will like to apologize to all residents who were delayed in the traffic jam caused by the social visit of the Commissioner of Police, Mr. Hakeem Odumosu, on the 1st of January, 2022 to our estate. At about 6 p.m. yesterday evening, Mr. Odumosu entered our estate to attend a social event at the instance of one of our residents. It was quite a busy day in the estate yesterday, as many residents had ongoing social events. The estate security operatives on duty, having not had prior knowledge of Mr. Odumosu's visit, and in a bid to assist him with directions to the house of his host, sought to ascertain the particular resident he was visiting. The Commissioner interpreted this act as an insult on his person and ordered the immediate arrest of all the security operatives on duty, even after gaining access into the estate to attend the party. A resident who happens to be a widow that was passing by with her 3 children was also ordered to be arrested alongside her 3 children by the Commissioner of Police. Her offense was that she tried to intervene to understand the situation. The executives, represented by the Vice Chairman and the Publicity Secretary, after being briefed of the situation, proceeded to the party to apologize on behalf of the security operatives for any disrespect caused to the Commissioner and plead for the release of the resident, her 3 children, and the security operatives. These pleas fell on deaf ears. At this point, the executives, members of the Estate Security Committee, the estate CSO, and some residents had converged at the estate gate to plead with the Commissioner on his way out, with the hope that his anger would have subsided after enjoying the party. To our amazement, the Commissioner came down from the car on his way out, said he was insulted by our estate, and further instructed that the remaining security operatives who replaced the arrested ones should also be arrested. Picture shows Lagos State Commissioner of Police, Hakeem Odumosu. This resulted in complete shutdown of the estate, as no one could go in or come out, as our estate gate is automated and the operatives with the access token were all arrested with the token. This further resulted in the traffic jam that occurred on CMD Road for over 4 hours. Pleas from different angle was made to the Commissioner with no yield until about 11 p.m. when he finally gave in. The estate was finally able to bail the security operatives who were already put in cell, the resident with her children who were put behind the counter at about 11:30 p.m. Kindly support our vision of building a community of 1 million pen soldiers whose successes will be judged based on positive development in the society. Mabra Estate, Lagos. CP Hakeem Odumosu has no respect for rule of law, human rights, activist Kola Edokpayi, January 3, 2022. Human rights activist and head of Talakawa's parliament, Kola Edokpayi has accused the Lagos State Commissioner of Police, Hakeem Odumosu, IPOB, to force schools to stop reciting Nigerian national anthems January 2, 2022. A live broadcast through a non-legally backed-up Radio Biafra is monitored and currently ongoing this evening indicated that MC Casino Game of Jokes, Two-Face Idibia celebrates MC at Piken on stage January 2, 2022. It was a fun-filled moments to remember between yesterday and today early morning when global music icon, Innocent Idibia, Dowling College, Sylvester Oromoni injured, poisoned after attack, autopsy January 2, 2022. Autopsy on the body of the student of Dowling College in Lagos, Sylvester Oromoni, who was allegedly gang-beaten by Army organizes concert to welcome troops, Nigerians into 2022 January 1, 2022. Nigeria Military Authority